WebMD ONE was built to support the most complex populations. Our segmentation capabilities are baked into the system architecture, allowing you to personalize the experience based on the needs of each business segment, all in one platform. Segmentation with WebMD ONE is as easy as flipping a switch. For example, a health system has a variety of population groups with different benefits and well-being needs. Sometimes everyone at the hospital needs to receive the same well-being program, like an invitation to join a walking challenge. But well-being is personal. Meet Lisa, a 50-year-old registered nurse in Chicago. We can personalize Lisa's experience based on her eligibility, worksite location, workers' union, and more. As a nurse, learning to manage stress is important, so she'll receive suggestions to manage stress and increase resilience. Lisa will also receive locations to grab healthy lunch options near her hospital. WebMD ONE sends a happy birthday message to her and a reminder to get a mammogram. Lisa is interested in losing a few pounds, so her WebMD health coach refers her to the hospital's nutrition benefits program. Heart disease runs in Lisa's family, so we send her healthy recipes that are low in saturated fat. Lisa has always been active, and her job definitely keeps her moving, but she wants to up her running game, so we make it easy for her to sign up for a running club in her area. As you can see, the segmentation possibilities are endless, empowering you to unify and engage your entire workforce with one platform, WebMD ONE. Let's explore how WebMD ONE will make the most out of your well-being program.